what's up with them beats?
What is going on, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be talking about is the position I took and why I took it, and the mind game that I've been playing with myself the past couple of days when trading and how it's been affecting me. So let's get right into it. So let's talk about let's talk about the position I took. So I took a position on Gush. I saw that it was at a support around, where was it at? Okay, let me pull it up real quick. Actually, it wasn't Gush, it was Drip. So on Drip, I saw a position where it was at a support about right here, because it bounced off that support a couple of times. But this wasn't really an A+ trade. This is more like a B- trade, where I was just like, it could go up and hit that resistance, but I was like, might as well take it. So I took the position, and obviously it kept going down. So as soon as I hit 954, that was my mental stop loss. So that's where I cut losses, even though it went back up. But still, I cut losses and then eventually started downtrending. So, I mean, that's the good in a sense. However, the thing about today was I kept on basically not taking positions when there's opportunity. Like, I was hesitating to take a position. So on LabU, there was so much potential in this trade where I could have took some positions. So like around when it hit support at the the EMA line right here, about 60 70 60 75, I was gonna take the position here. I decided not to. Right here, I said I was gonna take the position. I decided not to. So there's multiple opportunities I could have taken positions, and it kind of irked me that I wasn't taking advantage of these opportunities when there was a time to take it. So what I need to focus on is more about when I see the trade I want to trade, to be fully committed and take that trade, and understanding that I have a chance to be wrong in this trade. So what I'm doing wrong is, like, I don't want to be wrong. I want to be right 100% of the time, and that's not a good mindset to have. I got to have that mindset where I could be wrong, I could be wrong definitely 100% on any trade. It's like any trade it doesn't have to go my way, and understanding that is key when I'm trading. So one big thing I just want to focus on is, while taking positions, I want to focus on direction and opportunity cost. So, for example, right here, you can't really identify the direction. It's just consolidating, right? So this wasn't the best opportunity. So what I'm looking for is trades like LabU, how it's just an uptrending pattern. It's bouncing off the EMA. So there's obviously potential in this trade. So making sure that I stick to those ideas and focusing on that and honing in on my skills on that is key. And also understanding the emotional aspect when trading, about like not taking, like, for example, like I said earlier, like hesitating on a trade is not, I mean, it could be good in a way. However, it could kind of, make you as like kind of frustrated that you didn't capitalize on the opportunity you could have took. So trading is definitely a mind game. I got to build a skill, build a habit, because this is definitely a skill. So that's just how the game works. I'm pretty proud of myself for, cutting losses, obviously, because that's key. Because if I wanted to, I could have kept bag holding, but that wouldn't, there's no benefit to that other than, the account going down and me not basically bag holding. What it does is you're forcing yourself to be right, and that's not important. When you're trading, you can't really do that. You want to make sure you stick to your plan, and once you effectively, have the plan right, you should just focus on that rather than kind of just trading. I'm gonna wait for it to go up. No, that shouldn't be the right way to trade. You should trade based off certain type of patterns that you see that there's potential for the stock to either go up, or if you're shorting market, go down. That's what you look for. You don't look for buying a stock and just no plan whatsoever where to buy, where to sell. So that's important when trading. I just got to make sure that I'm more patient in finding that position. So if it takes time to wait for that position, I'll wait. But obviously, this is just a stepping stone, a learning stone. I'm happy about these losses. I want to learn from what I did wrong, So that's just one big thing. I'm really proud of myself about what I've done today. I'm also a little upset. So it's all a learning thing. So, like with, what's his name? Warren Buffett says, the more you learn, the more you earn. So I just got to keep learning, keep, honing in my skills, sharpening the knife. That's the whole important part when trading, making sure that I'm, more disciplined, more effective, more efficient when trading, rather than being a trader where I'm just trading like a maniac and just doing ridiculous trades just to make as much money as possible. It's more about being consistently profitable. So that's just my goals for the week. I hope you guys maybe have similar goals, and maybe talk about what trades you took in the description or in the comment box. So I want to say thank you guys for tuning in, and don't forget, this is Secure the Bag 19. This is Wally Profit exiting.